Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about the concept of blood glucose homeostasis. Okay, so the normal range for the blood glucose level in the fasting state, it is between 70 to 110 mg per deciliter, whereas in case of postprandial it is less than 140 mg per deciliter. Postprandial in a sense that is after food. And to maintain the concentration of glucose at this optimal range, there are different hormones that take part. Okay, and those hormones are insulin that are secreted from the beta cells of the pancreas, and we have glucagon that is secreted from the alpha cells of the pancreas. Okay, and the secretion of glucagon and insulin, they depend upon the concentration of glucose in the blood. Okay, if the concentration of glucose in the blood is high, that means in the well-fed state, when there is abundant supply of glucose in the blood, the insulin, they are released from the beta cells of the pancreas. Whereas when there is hypoglycemia or in the fasting state, when the blood sugar level starts to decline, at that time the alpha cells of pancreas, it releases glucagon. Okay, and both of these hormones, they have opposite effect. This insulin being anabolic hormones, it facilitates the anabolic processes. Okay, and it is called as glucose depositing hormones. So this insulin, it is a glucose depositing hormone. It is a glucose depositing hormones, whereas this glucagon, it is called as glucose mobilizing hormone. It is a glucose mobilizing hormones. Okay, and in response to hyperglycemia, when insulin, it is released from the bloodstream, the insulin, it increases the uptake of glucose from the blood by the transporter. Okay, and glucagon, whereas when in the fasting state, when the blood sugar level starts to decline, at that particular aspect of time, the glucagon is released from the bloodstream. Okay, so this insulin, it favors the process, anabolic process such as glycogenesis, whereas the glucagon, it favors the process called as glycogenolysis. Thank you.